The adapters, yeah, that go to the ATs.
Oh, these are light.
Yeah, they're aluminum. My name is Devin Thornton, and I am a mechanical design engineer.
So, Devin, what are you doing?
I am trying to show off the adapter that I made. So now you can screw this right into the motor here, put on your wheel, start shredding up the dirt.
Yep. Look at that. Devin at work.
You're ready to ride. I really liked the direct drive because of its ease of use over the belt drive, and I wanted to allow the people that bought the direct drive for the ease of use to be able to use the all-terrain tires. I got the all-terrain tires on the direct drive board by first doing some research on Google to see if this was something that people had done before. I realized it wasn't, so then I started some drawings on piece of paper to kind of get my design going, and then after that I designed it up for a 3D model. Then we 3D printed it, and then after that we CNC'd it out of aluminum. The 3D prints were taking about 12 hours for each singular piece, so a set would be about a whole day. We printed about 4 sets before we got one that actually worked.
Yeah. I'm restarting it right now, though.
What do you think, Randy?
The CNC'd ones only take about 15 minutes for us to carve out because instead of adding material, we're taking away material, which is a lot faster for the manufacturing process. We made them to start in red, gold, blue, and silver. However, we're not sure what colors we should, so we might do a poll to figure out what colors you guys want. I've tested it and it's a lot of fun. 37. I was able to go 37 miles an hour. Slight downhill. On flat, I was able to hit 35. The board is almost completely silent. When you're riding it, the road noise from just the board being on the road is louder than the actual board, so you can't even really hear the motors at all. For engravings, we haven't really decided yet. We had a couple thoughts about engravings. Maybe you guys can give us suggestions for engravings, but we haven't decided anything yet. Who am I looking at? You? Are we talking about that?
Yep. Keep going just a little bit.